Hello, fellow programmees and programmers. My name is Programming Buggy, and today we are starting a side series of research forming. And what I'm trying to do with this series is, well, get more of a feeling for C#, xaml, stuff like that, stuff I can actually build with instead of developing with. So I've gone ahead and gotten Visual Studios so that way I can automatically, jump right on it and start getting into it, the nitty gritty. But this episode, I just want to explain some of the basic things of Visual Studios, starting from, creating the first thing that you need, able to collect form. So let's get started with this video, and as I go along, if you have any questions, please comment below. So first thing I want to do is I want to create a new project, and I'm going to just do a form application. We're just getting to know Visual Studios. I don't need to say that. So we're just getting to know Visual Studios a bit. Visual Studios, from what I've seen, has very easy access to changing anything that you need to change, from the form name to the color. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I mean. Right here, down here, is a properties menu. As you can see, it has all the properties you'll need. You can change the name of the form here. Let's call it Visual Studio Show Off. This is not valid. So because the name has to be one word, I use a underscore. Visual Studio Show Off. Except button is none, blah blah blah. Okay. This also allows me to change the background color. Now I can actually go ahead and make that into, see, a nice light blue. So you see over here the background color has changed to a nice light blue, and I haven't done any coding at all. None at all. So Visual Studios is going to be a very big tool. Also, I have this nice little toolbox over here that I've used many times. It doesn't require any coding. I can literally just drag and drop what I want to put there, and if I double click it, I pull up the code, but I don't even have to do that, because unless I'm doing some kind of what they call actions, I can just change the text here to hello world. And there it is. It's hello world now. In fact, it's kind of small, so let's make it a little bigger. There it is. Make it bigger. Let's make it, let's see. Let's make the width of it. Actually, let's see if they have a font size. They have a font. The text align. We do not have a font size, so we'll just make the width 100. Okay. Height 100. So it's not gonna let me change that yet, because I have many things to do. Okay, so here we go. Font. We'll make the size 14. So now it's bigger. See, I didn't have to do any coding for that. I just changed the font size to 14, and it literally changed it for me. Very powerful tool when creating applications and whatnot. Let's say I wanted to add something someone can type in. Forms have to have an input box. So I can easily look down this, or I can go ahead and get a text box by typing in text. drag, drop, done. So some of my videos from this point on are going to be done with Visual Studios. Thank God they are free. That's right, I said free. Visual Studios has some paid editions and some free editions, and of course starter programmers, they're not going to go pay for something they don't understand. So I actually enjoy the fact that this is free. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe I have a submit button. Remove this, put a button out, put it right below. Go here, right over to the properties menu, change from button 1 to submit. And maybe on the next episode I'll explain some of what I'm talking about when I say the connections and actions and call functions and all that. But for this episode, I'm going to keep it straight to the point. The next few things that I upload may be on HTML or they may be on Visual Studio. With Visual Studio, I want it to be more C# oriented, stuff I can build, touch, play with, destroy if needed. And actually, there's a start button up here that allows me to run the application to make sure they're working. Which, hey, who wants an application that doesn't work? So, thank you for joining me on this nice little introduction video. And I will see you next time. Hey, if you like this, show some support.